What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this waterproof sealant. This waterproof sealant right here is transparent. On their site, well, on Amazon site, it says clear. They do have a gray and they do have a white. Now, with this sealant, you can seal up your roof. You can seal the bricks on your house. You can seal up pavers and stuff like that. This is the 1 gallon bucket, and they said 1 gallon should go to 70 square foot. But as y'all know, with all these painting companies and sealant companies and all of that, they always say it's best to put 2 coats, or they say for best results use 2 coats. That's what it says with this bucket right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one side, and then we're going to test out the other side. We are going to test it on this paver block right here, or the paver stone, and we'll do one side, one half side, test it out, put water on it, and see how it does when it repels water. So enjoy the video. All right, you guys. So it says uses. It says external walls, window sills, concrete, mortar, tile, brick walls, and walls with old paint. Okay, well, you should just go ahead and repair your wall. All right, it says ceiling joints, laps, and screws on various kinds of roofs. Instructions for use right here. Apply using a roller brush or a brush. Stir gently. It says a primer coat, but we're not going to do no primer coat. I think they just mean the first coat and then apply a second coat. So I think that's what this means right here. So they want you to dilute the first coat with 10% clean water. That's what it says for primer coat. I believe this primer coat right here, I believe that is for if you're using like color, like maybe white, or you're going to use gray. Because if you use white on this, remember, if you use white on a darker color, you won't see your white as much. So stir it well, shake it well. Again, if you have a stirring tool, then you can stir it up. Here is our seal. We're going to crack the seal right now. I should have got a flathead screwdriver, but that's my thought process for today. All right. Open this bad boy up. Oh, interesting. Okay, so you see it on here, but inside of here is a bag. Oh, so that's nice. Once I'm done using this stuff, I can rinse this bucket out and have a nice little bucket. Maybe I should use gloves. All right, we have our gloves now. Make sure you wear gloves. So I think I cut the bag as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in the bucket, you guys. All right. Now we'll be able to work with it more comfortable now. Whew. Guys, this is messy. And this stuff is very thick. I'm gonna show y'all how thick this stuff is too. I'm gonna have to put on another pair of gloves first. Make sure you get all of your content because you paid money for it. So make sure you get all of your content out this bag. You see how I'm squeezing? I'm squeezing the life out this bag because you want to make sure you get your money's worth. All right, you guys, sorry I had y'all far down, but again, this stuff is pretty thick. I don't have my paint stick, so bear with me, you guys. All right. And what I have is a little roller right here, so I'll just roll it on top. This is my screwdriver I always use for emergency. All right, it's time to roll it on. And again, they said 1 gallon goes approximately like 70 square foot or something like that. When I find it, I'll try to post it for y'all. On this, we're just going to paint one side, and then we'll leave the other side for later. This is a regular brick paver. You can seal your pavers, you guys. All right, so this is one coat. We will come back out and do another coat. I'm also going to do, you know what? Let's put this up to another test. Since it's a sealer, I'm going to paint some cardboard real quick. Let me look for some cardboard. I got all types of Amazon cardboards here, you guys. We have cardboard. Let's see how good this sealer really is. All right. If it seals up the cardboard, we good. And this is a test. It's a fun test. Don't take it too serious, okay? Don't take it too serious. Just doing some fun stuff. Obviously, it don't roll. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave one side like this, and then I'm gonna leave the other side. So I'm gonna have a treated side and a non-treated side with this. And I'm gonna do the same thing with the cardboard. I'm gonna use 2 coats, and then we'll come back and do the water test and be done. But this is supposed to be a fun test, you guys. This one here is not like, don't take this one too serious. Take the brick one serious, but don't take this one too serious. All right. All right, you guys. So I let this sit out in the sun for a very long time. Actually, most of the day. It's like 7 o'clock right now. We did this early this morning. And I have to say that, as you can see, there is like a wet look on this side. All right. So this is not the wet look chemical. This is a sealant. But usually when you put sealant on, it give it like this type of gloss. But it's smooth, very smooth. You rub on this side, very rough. So you can feel the difference when you rub on the paver. But for the main test, we are going to put some water on it. So let me open this up real quick. So as you can see, it is sealed. All right, we're gonna do the other side, but let me put this like this. All right, you guys, we're gonna do that again. All right, look at that. Now I'm gonna go on the untreated side, and you can see the difference. Look at that, you guys. So if you putting this on the bricks of your house, you will definitely give it a little bit longer lifespan, because the water won't be damaging your bricks, cracking it, and all of that stuff. So you can see the difference. Now, I didn't treat the front, the sides. I treated the top only. And there you go. So you definitely can see the difference. Very shiny. All right. Let's see. Oh, not that much of a reflection, so, but it is definitely sealed and repels very good. All right, and that will be it. 2 coats on this side. All right, nothing on this side. Now, y'all know cardboard is cardboard, so let's go ahead. So look at that, and this is the non-treated side. So it's definitely good if you're trying to save any type of material you're using. Look at that, even put, look at that. You can draw on this side. This side is completely sealed. No marks. All right, you guys. So we are 48 hours later, and I have to say that everything worked out well. So this is how it's going to be. Y'all see the shine on it. Okay, so you're going to get a little shine, but that's fine, because when you seal stuff, usually when you seal, you get a shine. So that is how it is. All right, and that will be all. Don't mind those stains. Those are like oil stains and stuff like that. So I didn't power wash it before I sealed it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.